one time one boy not the right person for you, then just another the right person for you. You see from one boy the right person for you, him are the right person for you. Nathan is the right person for me. Because why me say that?
Why you say that?
I may have him look style him sometime and so in a guy but Jaja. He make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Nobody feel like.
No, I'm just
What's up, guys?
You don't know it's a boy Nathan.
And a girl CC.
I'm there with the next video. Yeah, guys.
Before we get into this video, like,
Share,
comment,
subscribe,
press that notification bell,
and comment Team Nathan. Yeah, guys. So
comment,
notification gang, guys. You know, join that. Turn
Yeah.
on the post notification, guys. So when you drop out a video, guys, you can just
first person to comment.
and jump on it, guys, because I know normal things that go on over here. So
Yeah, guys. We keep
tell you guys, so
don't pray for
there
me because it's not like say you can do me anything. So
we're there with a story time, guys.
and
We met.
met.
Yeah, guys. So you just stay tuned for the video. Yeah, as we say, like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And watch out the ads,
Yeah,
guys.
Please, me I beg you,
Watch out the ads, please.
Yeah,
Me
guys.
I beg you, guys.
See when ads pop up, do not
We know it's a go boring, guys, but
just
please,
watch
just
it,
watch
guys.
it, guys.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
and the ads them.
You know.
And thing, and the
Yeah.
ads them. And the ads them.
And the ads there. Alright, ready?
Ads them. Yeah, guys. So just we are get straight into the video, you know, guys. And guys, we are do promotion right now, guys. Me see, so my guys want to know if you tell me if it too dear.
Dear guys, you
It
can't
go
say the
over on
promotion
community
is
post,
too
them
dear,
go look,
guys.
it are over there,
You
guys. So,
can't say it, dear
you
guys.
go look and want to know if you tell me if it too dear for you. If it
Yeah.
say too dear or what, we will adjust it. But tell me what you think.
If it's
Yeah.
too dear.
Because fuel
fuel
price,
pump-
them are offer some of them price.
No, for you know, say full price are the cheapest price.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Full price. Promotion list is the cheapest.
Yeah.
Cheapest. You're not getting no more than that, guys. They might tell out 5 and then something there, guys.
Yeah, guys. So just we are getting to the video right
Yeah.
now, guys. Yeah. So we go again.
Oh, we met.
Alright.
Start and then
Well, alright, let me tell you. Me they ride on bicycle, guys. And while me I ride the bicycle, you know, I look, I see CC sit down on the side. Pity the poor blind woman.
No, 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 the fooling. Start. Come, start.
Alright, guys, let me tell you now.
Yeah.
Oh, I know CC, you know, I'm tell you one time, our stepmother come down our yard, my yard, come. She, our stepmother and my sister had a friend, so she left her son and she down on my yard. Yeah. So them time they see her down on my yard, but me not chatting. Because you know me not talking at the chatting.
You're too lying. You well want chat to me.
Not talking.
Him did well want chat.
Let me tell you something, people. Me not talking. Yeah, and she see me. And
Yes,
she
yeah.
in a beer ramping.
Move
Me
on
say,
yourself.
yo.
Every morning,
yo.
him come around put me first, guys.
Who?
You. When time I don't do.
Lie.
Let's say them in small, guys. So, you know, you're too lying.
Do.
Talk truth.
Yeah, it's like.
Talk truth.
And guys, so she did it and did it, so till yeah, me give her my bed and thing. And we did it. So till she go away, and me don't know where she go. And then when time when time me I got get guy yellow sign out. Yeah, them time me and her brother are friends, so at them time them me get to see her back and then through me round there and thing. You know say she have her boyfriend, you know, guys, look on this. And I know every day she a pray me. She a pray me, you know, guys, she a pray me deep when she food.
Nobody
I'm
come
here to
from
tell you
one
say,
right
me
say
dead there,
yo.
I'm dead there and see when the killer go cook, guys, I who tell me to do that?
Nobody make the people them feel like say your food catch me.
The food
Don't make
and
the people
part
them
time
feel
too.
like it's your food.
She has said, no sir.
It's not the food catch me,
And
guys.
school, when me there school, she see me, she knows me clean. Every day she want run tax for me at school. She want 100 of. You can't drink my juice
guys,
every
Nathan is a person like this when him there at school. You see him 2 back pocket them. You just any you want money and you know none, just dip in him 2 back pocket them.
Dipping out.
What? Make Chevy tell you. But say guys, we used to do him bad.
Bad what?
Bad. Him be nice.
You
Me
so
have
good,
it-
man,
me
the
have
eyeball
it love
dry.
him, guys. And it's not because I'm food. I don't want them to feel like say because I'm well food, you know.
Alright guys, so yeah, me and her after she and the youth left now, and me and her start there and thing, you know. So me and her there, and then one summer now me go up on camp. Yeah guys, me at camp because me a play D-Cup.
Yeah.
So we did at camp 1 and 2 times she come look for me and thing, and then everything mash up. Buff buff again. Like all chucky relationship right off. And she gone for her ways, me gone my ways.
And
then about a year after.
No, not year after.
Longer than that?
Which longer than what?
And 1 year.
No.
Not so long.
It's not so long, Nathan is too wicked.
How long?
But a couple months is not year.
Yes guys. And then she go away for a couple months. Come back, me and her. You know, from when? February the 14th, guys.
Until now, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you have to say to people?
What my have to say is, guys, this is sometime when Mama tell you, this is sometime when time one boy not the right person for you, them just not the right person for you. You see, from one boy the right person for you, him are the right person for you. Nathan is the right person for me. Because why me say that?
Why you say that?
Me have him look style them sometime and so in a guy but Jaja. He make me feel like me are the only girl in the world. Nobody feel like.
No, I'm just that.
He make me feel like me are the only girl in the world,
Wait,
guys.
wait. Let me tell the people there something.
What?
See, just a feel when she gonna stop.
So yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys, are the general.
He make me
guys,
happy.
isn't it?
God make me happy. I don't know what else to say, but Nathan, who half married? Who half married? Yeah, my husband is half married. So yeah, guys. Who not married?
One of those popcorn rings is good enough, guys.
You're bright, but popcorn ring.
Let me buy one $10 million ring.
Oh my god! Yes.
Oh my god. Guys, who would I take their money buy a ring for $10 million? More than for well rich like that. I'm still not going to not waste $10 million for one ring. You know what people want that money right now? I prefer split it up in a way. Say yes. Boom.
Yes,
You
yes.
see me, guys? So,
yes.
from them time there, I wait till now and we reach a good distance and thing, and we not go turn back.
We not turn back, God no. We not turn back and we not left. We can't left. You get me here? Can't left. So, we just go and do a thing, go and work.
Yeah,
You
that
know,
is a must.
that is a must. You have to put in the work. We have to work hard, guys.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to do that for Uno. You get me? For
Yeah,
Uno, we
guys.
are going to do that for.
Yeah.
Uno, we are doing
Be a banger.
Be a banger for Nathan.
Pan CC, guys.
Pan
You don't say
Nathan.
I'm here the king already, so.
So,
Yeah.
we reached the end of the video, guys. It wasn't long, but remember
Yeah, we
to
just
like,
have to go
share,
and look
comment, and subscribe.
You see me, guys? So, just do a CC, just tell the guys, yeah. And watch it
All
ads
the
them, guys.
fans them, I don't have to tell you to watch it ads them. Because I know
If
CC
you want to.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.